Should you save for a car or college? Pros and cons. Car or college? It's a dilemma many of us face, and it's one that can shape the course of our future. But which should you prioritize? Saving for a car that gives you independence and mobility, or saving for a college education that could unlock higher-paying job opportunities? The decision can be overwhelming, but today, we're going to break down the pros and cons of both and help you decide which one is the smarter move for your future. Stick around, because this might just be the most important financial decision you'll make in your early adulthood. Let's get started. Saving for a car. All right, let's start with saving for a car. For a lot of people, especially those just starting out in the workforce, a car is an essential investment. Whether it's for commuting to work, running errands, or just having the freedom to go wherever you want, a car can unlock a lot of doors. But before we get too excited about the benefits, let's break it down and see the full picture. Pros of saving for a car. 1. Immediate needs and convenience. A car serves an immediate need, and for many of us, it's a game changer. Having a car means no more relying on public transportation, friends, or family for rides. If you live in an area where the public transport system isn't great, or you just need a more flexible way to get around, a car could make your life so much easier. 2. Unlocks more opportunities. When you have your own car, you have more job options available to you. Maybe that dream job is 30 miles away, or maybe your current job requires you to travel to different locations. Without a car, you might be missing out on opportunities simply because transportation is an issue. Plus, it's great for independence. If you're just starting out, having a car means you're not tied down to your parents' schedule or carpooling with friends. 3. Flexibility and control. The beauty of saving for a car is the flexibility. You can buy the car you need, and you can decide whether to buy new, used, or even go for an affordable secondhand vehicle. And while there are certainly loans available, it's possible to buy a car outright if you plan ahead and save up enough. There's no waiting for school admissions or financial aid here. You save, you buy, you drive. 4. Depreciation can be managed. Yes, cars lose value over time, but that doesn't mean the investment is wasted. If you choose a used car or a model that holds its value well, you can reduce the financial burden. Additionally, if you decide to sell the car later, you may still recoup some of your original investment. Cons of saving for a car. 1. Depreciation. Cars are notorious for depreciating fast. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it loses value. So, if you're saving for a brand new vehicle, understand that the value of your car will decrease over time, meaning it may not be the best investment in the long term compared to things like real estate or stocks. 2. Ongoing costs. Owning a car isn't just about the initial purchase. Once you own it, there are the recurring costs like insurance, gas, maintenance, and repairs. You'll also need to account for taxes, registration fees, and the occasional parking ticket. These expenses can really add up, so make sure you're prepared for the financial commitment that comes with owning a car. 3. Potential debt. If you can't afford to buy a car outright, you might consider taking out a loan. But be careful. Taking on debt can be stressful, especially when you're paying it off over a few years. Car loans can tie you to monthly payments, which might limit your financial flexibility, especially if you're also planning to save for other big expenses like college. Saving for college. Now, let's talk about saving for college. For many, college represents the gateway to a brighter future, with the potential for a career that offers a better quality of life. However, it's not as simple as just paying tuition. There are a lot of factors to consider. So, let's look at the pros and cons of putting your money toward higher education. Pros of saving for college. 1. Long-term career opportunities. One of the biggest benefits of saving for college is the long-term career prospects. A A college degree is a ticket to higher paying jobs and career advancement opportunities. 2. Increased earning potential. It's not just about the first job out of college. Over the years, a degree can open doors to promotions and career changes that lead to higher salaries. College graduates tend to have more job security and are less likely to face unemployment during economic downturns. 3. Financial aid and scholarships. While college can be expensive, there are many opportunities to reduce the cost through scholarships, grants, and financial aid. These can help cover tuition and living expenses without the need to take on large amounts of student debt. This makes college more affordable than many people think, especially if you're proactive in applying for financial aid. 4. Personal growth and networking. College isn't just about what you learn in the classroom. It's a great place for personal development. You'll meet new people, form lifelong friendships, and build a professional network that could prove invaluable later in life. Plus, the experiences and challenges of college life help you grow as a person, ready to face the world with a set of skills that will take you far. Cons of saving for college. 1. High costs. Let's face it, college is expensive. Tuition, textbooks, housing, and meals all add up. And for many students, the price of higher education can feel overwhelming. Even if you do get financial aid, the amount of money you'll need to pay can still leave you with substantial debt after graduation. 2. Student loans. Speaking of debt, student loans can be a serious drawback of saving for college. For those who don't receive enough financial aid, loans may be the only option to pay for education. The issue with loans is that they take years to pay off, which can delay other financial goals like buying a house or saving for retirement. 3. Delayed financial return. Unlike a car, which can start providing benefits immediately, the financial payoff from a college degree may take years to manifest. Depending on your field of study, it may take several years after graduation to land a well-paying job and start seeing the return on your investment in education. Key factors to consider in your decision. So, how do you decide between saving for a car or saving for college? Here are a few key factors to think about. 1. Age and life stage. If you're in high school and just starting to think about the future, you might need a car for commuting or getting around for a part-time job. But if you're older and thinking about going back to school, or if college is on the horizon, saving for your education may be more pressing. 2. Current financial situation. What does your budget look like right now? Can you afford to save for both? If you're in a stable financial position, consider saving for both a car and college simultaneously. But if money is tight, you may need to prioritize one over the other. 3. Long-term goals. Think about your future. Do you have a clear career path that requires a college degree? Or are you looking to build experience and independence with a car? Your long-term career goals should help guide your decision. Scenarios to help you decide. Here's how different situations might play out. Scenario 1. You're a high school senior who needs a car to get to work and school. In this case, a car might be the more immediate priority, especially if it will help you secure a job or make your daily life more manageable. Scenario 2. You're in college and debating whether to buy a car or save for graduate school. Since you're already in school, saving for your degree might take precedence. However, if you can find a reliable, used car and are managing your expenses well, a car might make sense to make your life easier. Scenario 3. You're a parent helping your child figure out what to prioritize, college or a car. If they're planning to attend college right after high school, you might consider focusing on saving for tuition, as the benefits of a degree will last a lifetime. So, what do you think? Is a car your ticket to freedom? Or is a college degree the real key to your future success? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know which option you're leaning towards, or if you found a way to balance both. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making smart financial choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.